Hello students, welcome to Medical 360. The NEET results are already out and most of the states are now about to start the registration and choice filling also. And what we're doing at this point in time is to cover state by state in terms of the number of colleges that you have, the number of seats that you have in public, private, deemed and anything of that nature, and also the kind of cutoff that you need to actually get there based on last year's data. We'll also talk of the number of successful candidates in each state because it also has a relative performance. Quite simply, that if the number of students who qualified this year is lesser than what it was last year, then the chance of you getting a seat is much better, and vice versa. And similarly, the number of seats increase that you had in deemed, in public, and in private colleges at a state level also is very, very important because it might actually open up more markets for you because the number of seats suddenly increased. So we'll talk of all those things and we're going state by state. Right now, what we're going to talk of is Maharashtra. All private medical colleges in Maharashtra is what we'll talk of and re-NEET, and we'll talk of the seats that are there and the closing ranks which happened last year, and we'll also talk about the number of students who increased and decreased also. Now, while we're talking of that, a lot of students also reach out to us for counseling purposes, so we actually opened a number here. The number that you need to message is on 8130-3763334, 8130-3763334. Send us a message NEET, NEET, and one of our counselors will call you if you need any personalized counseling. We also have created a college predictor, which is search on Google Career 360 NEET College Predictor. You just need to input your rank, your score, your state, and your category and everything. It will tell you what would have happened based on last year's data, or what kind of college you will get, and it will at least give you an indication of what your chances are. And do subscribe to Medical 360 if you are a MBBS aspirant or anything to do with medical and allied sciences, because we're creating a lot of content to help students decide for themselves. It's all driven by data, very, very objective. And this advisory and information series is presented by SRM Medical College, Hospital and Research Center, which is affiliated to SRM IST, which is a deemed university based in Chennai in Tamil Nadu. Now about the private medical college in Maharashtra. The total seats that have increased in Maharashtra this time around is 400. Of which private medical colleges had 350 seats increase and public medical colleges had only 50 seats increase. So in all, 400 seats increase in Maharashtra. What was 12,699 has increased to 13,099, which means we actually saw a 3% seat increase overall. But in private, the seat increase is quite dramatic because public is only 50. But the more important thing that you must look for is the kind of fall that the Maharashtra saw in terms of the number of students who qualified into the NEET examination. Last time, the number of students who qualified was 1,25,727. This is 1,07,304. A fall of 18,423. That is, if you just work backwards, it's a 15% fall. So the number of students who are actually competing in the private medical college space is now down by 15%. The number of seats increase in private medical colleges dramatically higher because most of the seat increase has only happened here. We're dealing with quite a bit of an increase here. So from that perspective, it's a 5% kind of an increase, right? So 15% fall in the number of students who qualified, 5% increase in the number of seats in private medical colleges. So you actually have a 20% better chance as compared to last year in terms of you getting a seat in a private medical college in Maharashtra. So that is the first thing that you must look for. So everything from now on we're talking about based on last year's data, you should be looking at it at a slightly better chance because you also have a 5% increase. By the way, the ranks would almost remain the same because it's relative, mind you. So if the rank last year cutoff was 5,000, it will remain still 5,000 plus minus 5%, which is the number of seats increase, because it is just that the number of students who qualified came lesser, which means even at a lower score, you're likely to get a better rank. But once you have your rank in your hand, that's where it sticks, plus minus 5%. Now, let's talk of the private medical college in Maharashtra. The first one is KG Somaiya Medical College and Research Center in Mumbai. Last year's closing rank is what we're talking about, remember? In general category, it was 30,067. OBCs 46,575, SCs 1,23,934, STs 3,38,417. Terna Medical College, Navi Mumbai, 52,923 general category, OBCs 54,500, SCs 1,55,658, STs 3,64,238. Srinagar Technical Education Society, Srimati Kashibhai Nawale Medical College, 53,949 for general category, OBCs 54,912, SCs 1,40,472, STs 338,776. Maharashtra Institute of Medical Education and Research Center, Pune, 60,216 for general category, OBCs 59,929, SCs 157,685, and STs 345,807. Sri Ramachandra Institute of Medical Sciences, Aurangabad, 61,617 for general, OBCs 63,111, SC is 165,057, ST is 363,677. Dr. Ullas Patil Medical College and General Hospital, Jalgaon, 63,223 for general category. OBC is 63,773, SC is 1,70,851, ST is 3,62,188. Dr. Vasantrao Pawar Medical College Hospital and Research Center, Adgaon, 65,979 for general category. OBC is 66,245, SC is 166,665, ST is 341,200. Moving further, Maharashtra Institute of Medical Science and Research, Latur, 66,165 for general category. OBC is 67,440, SC is 166,183, ST is 349,108. Ashwini Rural Medical College Hospital and Research Center, Kumbhari, 68,232 for general category. OBC is 68,747, SC is 173,33, ST is 357,393. ACPM Medical College, Dhule, 72,111 for general category. OBC is 75,661. SC is 171,062, ST is 365,618. Dr. Vittal Rao VK Patil Foundation's Medical College and Hospital, Ahmednagar, 72,912 for general category. OBC is 73,885, SC is 166,817, ST is 360,175. NKP Salve Institute of Medical Science and Research Center and Lata Mangeshkar Hospital, Nagpur, 73,937 for general category. OBC is 74,216, SC is 157,508, ST is 365,479. Dr. Punjab Rao Deshmukh Memorial Medical College, Amravati, 74,646 for general category. OBC is 73,702, SC is 165,772, ST is 357,852. SMBT Institute of Medical Science and Research Center, Nashik, 76,009 for general category. OBC is 76,192, SC is 166,920, ST is 358,294. BKL Walwalkar Rural Medical College, Ratnagiri, 77,110 for general category. OBC is 77,283, SC is 169,594, ST is 360,480. Dr. Rajendra Gode Medical College and Amravati, general category is 78,651, OBC is 78,874, SC is 171,607, ST is 362,923. Indian Institute of Medical Science and Research, Jalna, 80,230 for general category. We don't have data for OBC, SC and ST. Prakash Institute of Medical Science and Research, Sangli, 81,316 for general category. OBC is 81,865, SC is 173,083, ST is 366,216. Dr. N.Y. Tasgaonkar Institute of Medical Sciences, Karjat, 82,321 for general category. OBC is 82,980, SC is 172,842, ST is 365,586. Parbhani Medical College, Parbhani, 82,809 for general category. OBC is 83,857, SC is 175,521, ST is 369,205. Srimati Sakhubai Narayan Rao Katkade Medical College and Research Center, Kopargaon, 83,496 for general category. OBC is 84,251, SC is 175,290, ST is 365,680. Sindhudurg Shikshan Prasarak Mandal Medical College and Lifetime Hospital, Sindhudurg, 85,724 for general category. OBC is 86,561, SC is 176,343, ST is 370,103. Vedanta Institute of Medical Science and Hospital, Palghar, 133,806 for general category. OBC is 137,737, SC is 207,356, ST is 428,995. Now that's what you have as far as private medical college. But remember, this time 15% lesser number of students who qualified. There is a 5% increase in the number of private medical colleges. Though the rank would remain the same because it's just that the rank has moved up even at a lesser score because 15% lesser students qualified. The increase of 5% seats would mean that there is a fluctuation that's likely to happen at 5% level at least because the number of seats in private medical colleges have increased in the state of Maharashtra. If you want any personalized counseling, do send us a message, NEET, on 8130-637-6334. Do check us out on the College Predictor, which is the Careers NEET College Predictor. And do subscribe to Medical 360 because we're creating a lot of content to help you out. And this advisory and information series is presented by SRM Medical College Hospital and Research Center, which is affiliated to SRM IST, which is a deemed university in the state of Tamil Nadu in Chennai. Thank you so much. Namaste.